Rubbish dumps are overflowing everywhere. Our waterways are clogged.
Not much on TV.
Smoke from factories are polluting the sky.
Just lots of shows about pollution. Yeah, someone should do something about it, I guess.
Aren't those tiger cubs so cute? And in other news, a new shopping mall has just... Oh, sorry, we have just had news that a UFO has been hovering over the city. Let's cross to the scene with our reporter Joshua. Josh, can you tell us what is going on over there?
Thanks, Gemma. We were here filming a news story about pollution from car exhaust when we were shocked by this amazing event. Now you can see from this footage from a short time ago that the UFO has flown over all the parts of the city. It is almost like it's been taking a look at how we live. Whoa, look at that! Yeah, where did it come from?
This is amazing. Let's see what the local people think about this. Excuse me, how do you feel about this?
This is scary but exciting at the same time.
It's cool because I didn't know UFOs existed. Sorry, we just had sighting that a UFO is landing at a local school. We will try and get as close as we can get.
As you can see, the police have arrived to check out the situation. Are you getting this back at the studio, Gemma?
Yes, Josh, every bit of it. This is incredible. Can you get us any closer?
We'll try and get it closer, but we have to be careful because we don't know what to expect.
Do you think there's aliens inside?
We're observing your Earth. Your world is dying from pollution. You're polluting your oceans, your air, and your environment.
Our planet has already lost our special plants and animals because of pollution.
This is what our beautiful planet used to look like. And this is what it looks like now.
Are you going to do anything about this? Or are you going to wait for someone else to fix it when it's too late? The choice is yours.
Yes, Gemma, the alien spaceship appears to be preparing for liftoff. We better sign off now. Back to you in the studio.
Well, it will be interesting if any of the alien messages has any effect on the people of Earth. Okay, back to our earlier story. A new shopping mall has opened over in the city. Thousands of shoppers are expecting to flock to the mall for the opening sales.
I guess it really is a problem. We can do something about it.
Do we really need that much detergent?
No, not really. I'll put some less in next time so it doesn't go in the rivers and oceans.
Are you ready, kids? I'll drive you to school now.
It's okay, Mum. We're going to walk.
Do you think they'll be able to make a difference? I think they are going to be just fine.